We've all felt the urge, the temptation to drop a few paychecks or take out a small loan just to get our hands on the absolute latest smartphone or a stunning designer outfit. We trade our peace of mind for the swipe of a piece of plastic, all to chase a celebrity look. But step out of that store, and you might see a verified millionaire from the Forbes list making a call on a 5-year-old device. It highlights a strange reality. The exact items average people go into debt to buy to simulate wealth are the very things the truly wealthy actively avoid. Saving up just to emulate a superstar's wardrobe creates a psychological trap. You end up trading your future financial stability for a fleeting, expensive moment of social validation. Achieving actual financial independence requires abandoning the performance altogether. It means shifting your focus from trying to prove to everyone that you have money to making sure you actually keep it. When it comes to housing, the approach often shifts from status to valuation. While many are tempted to take out lifelong loans for a trophy penthouse, seasoned investors prioritize a property where the price is right, sometimes opting for an older fixer-upper that they can renovate to build equity, rather than just paying for a label. This chart shows the danger of borrowing money for instant gratification. When you buy luxury gadgets or properties on credit, the asset loses value over time, while the cost of the loan constantly compounds. You get stuck in an endless cycle of paying off debt for things you couldn't afford. A wealthy mindset reallocates that capital. Instead of sinking cash into temporary status symbols, they view every resource through the lens of long-term investment value. This brings us to a core rule called capital expansion. The principle is simple. Any money you have must actively work for you. Cash hidden under a mattress or wasted on flashy clothes is dormant. You have to place that untouched money into savings accounts, funding smart investments or well-researched startups so it grows on its own. Escaping the debt trap means reclassifying every dollar. They are no longer spending tokens. They are workers whose sole job is to generate more capital. Look at the daily habits on a dinner plate. Put a massive, greasy, mouth-watering hamburger covered in salt next to a modest portion of steamed veggies and boiled chicken. Choosing the simpler meal involves a trade-off between immediate flavor and long-term vitality. A disciplined person often weighs the momentary satisfaction of a heavy meal against their need for sustained energy and focus to manage a demanding day. They apply this same efficiency to their time. Buying into fortune tellers, lottery tickets, or a low-price seminar promising 5 easy steps to riches usually just helps the course creators get rich. Instead of hoping for a miracle, a highly successful person will gladly pay for expensive courses to master a new profession or invest in fitness club memberships. They upgrade their skills and health to steadily increase their total earning potential. Building real wealth requires extreme discipline. It means analyzing all available information, doing the hard calculations, and stubbornly working on a goal, like writing software, while everyone else is sitting on the couch daydreaming about a luxurious life. You cannot skip the work. The highest return on investment comes from systematically upgrading your own physical and mental capabilities. The true measure of a luxurious life is invisible. When you see someone who has built immense success, they are often wearing a simple t-shirt or turtleneck and jeans. They derive pleasure and confidence from what they actually do. That internal stability erases the need to purchase luxury goods to prove their worth to strangers. Material goods will fade, but memories remain. That is why wealthy travelers often skip the highly curated 5-star beach trips and opt for modest bed and breakfasts to immerse themselves in local cultures. They also seek impact on a much larger scale. People with vast resources often feel a heavy responsibility to advance human progress, deploying capital into modern technology that pushes the entire world forward. The exact same goes for giving back. Donating millions or even volunteering at local charities actively keeps negative feelings away. Doing good for others is an active investment in your own psychological health. Success at this level brings a relentless schedule of high-stakes decisions and constant travel. If the body and mind aren't maintained through proper rest and fitness, the sheer weight of these obligations can quickly outpace the benefits of the bank balance. True wealth is an internal discipline. It is the freedom of your time, the absence of financial stress, and the ability to dictate your own goals. none of which can be bought at a luxury store.